Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to unlink GCash from Google Play Store. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. Then from here, you want to click on your icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then from here, you want to make sure that you're logged into your account. If not, simply choose switch account. But if you're all good, go ahead and click on payments and subscriptions. Then you want to click on payment methods. On this page, just scroll down and choose more payment settings at the very bottom. Now, once you do, it'll open your browser with your payment methods attached to it. Right now, as you can see, GCash is showing on this Google account that it's currently attached to my Google account. And as you can see, there's the option to remove it. So just simply tap on it for you to remove your account or your GCash account. And that's it. Now you know how to unlink GCash from Google Play Store in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guide, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.